Earlier this week, the opposition under the leadership of Bobi Wine united to call for a 48 hours ultimatum for the release of Dr. Kizza Besigye. This has not yet happened and has seen response from the president of Uganda justifying more reasons as to why Kizza Besigye should continue being tried. The president insisted that Kizza Besigye should instead ask for a speedy trial to prove his innocence. Now, lawyer Mabirizi has trashed the 48 hours ultimatum by the opposition, calling it useless.
Council, how realistic is the 48-hour ultimatum given by the opposition to basically be released or untreated?
I don't think any ultimatum is required. All I think is that those guys...
It's opposition that are giving it to government.
Yes, Chagulanyi, Mugisha, Mount, whatever. But I'll go back to what I advised on 31st March. So 31st January 2025, when we made that decision, I told them that there is no order for the release of Besigye. The Constitutional Court interpreted whether wrong with it or what, that's what they interpreted. Now, if Besigye was being denied bail, and this is what I've been explaining, that they said the file is being transferred, why don't we apply for bail so that the man can be released from custody as these guys set out their mess? Is it for CG from court martial, CG from what? I think these people should be realistic to themselves and the Ugandans. Ugandans deserve better. Ugandans deserve the reality of the thing. What's the reality? The reality is Besigye was charged in the court martial, transferred to High Court, which High Court is slow because of several reasons. So what do you do in circumstances? Apply for bail so that he can be released pending the sorting of that mess. As simple as that. So I don't know why the Ugandan team and those opposition think that the Chagulanyi is just a matter of saying we have given this ultimatum, we have given this. What if those days lapse without any bail?
So what consequences do you think will come out with the ultimatum? What effect? What do you think?
I don't see any effect because...
What advice do you give them?
The man is already sick. I've maintained, let them apply for bail. Let them get out of their pride. Let them choose their pride and apply for bail. I'm not expecting Museveni or any other person or Sima to wake up one morning and open the upper prison gate that Besigye go out because you are very sick. Maybe the main thing may be taking him to hospital. Don't forget you are going to Tanzania, sorry, Rwanda, for the Court of Justice, and our fundraising is by 0701 881231 and 78763 086.